Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I am getting ready to combine these two bottles of antifreeze here, or coolant, and I just wanted to show you something that a lot of people don't know how to properly pour fluids. I don't know how else to say it. I've seen professionals that have picked up jugs of antifreeze and they go like that. Well, what that does is make it so it covers up the hole completely with fluid and no air can get in behind there. So to properly pour these, you actually turn them backwards at a slight angle, and then you can get that in there. And notice there's no glugging. This is a full jug, no glugging at all. What it is, it allows the fluid to stay in this area, but the air that's down here, hopefully you can see that, the air can come up here through here over the top and allow the air to actually come back in, is what it does. It allows air to come in and the fluid to come out. So slightly cocked just to give it comfort, and so you can see where you're pouring it like that. Then once you get to the point where it is like this, you can go sideways and do the same thing. But I thought I'd just kind of give that little bit of a tip or trick, so to speak, there. This also works with these kind of jugs here. I don't know if you've watched this video where I put together my lift here and I started filling this up. You'll notice in that video I actually bring it in like this, because that allows air to come in and replace the fluid. As the fluid comes out the bottom, it allows air into the top. Just a little tip and trick. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Well, it's been a while since I've done a jack of all tips and tricks type thing, so I thought I'd go ahead and throw that in there. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want more tips and tricks, I got several videos like that on my channel. Go to my playlist on my channel and look up the tips and tricks videos. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and I'm a master of none. You all have a good one.